When they say determine the limit by substitution, they really just mean plug in -3 and see what it equals, okay? In a couple other videos, I explain what a limit is. A limit isn't just x equals -3. That's different, okay? It gives us the same result, but they're not the same idea. They're not the same type of thing. We plug in -3 because we don't have any divide by zero problems, no asymptotes or anything like that. Later on in calculus, we'll look at things where there are asymptotes and we'll be able to say what the limit is. That's for later. There's so much I want to say, but I need to limit myself to the problem that we have. So 5 to -2/3. I think that's fine for an answer, but you can rewrite this a little bit, right? Oh, so the one I made up isn't super good here. Let me do another one. The limit as x approaches -2 for x minus 6 to the 2/3 power. Let's do this one. We can find this limit by substitution. Anytime you can just plug in -2 and you don't have any divide by zero problems, then do it, and you're done. Okay. So this is -8 to the 2/3, and so look, in the last one we left it here because there was no way to simplify it. That's why I stopped and looked at this one. There is a way to simplify this one. Okay, because you could rewrite this as -8 to the first power over -8 to the 1/3 power, right? Because a power on top of a power, two numbers with the same base, they're being divided, the power subtract, right? These two numbers have the same base of -8. They're being divided, so the powers that subtract to make 2/3. But the reason why I did it like this, no problem at the top, that's just -8. The bottom is a cubed root. A 1/3 power is a cubed root. So we're looking for the number that would multiply to itself 3 times in order to make -8. That's -2. So the cubed root of -8 is -2. So -8 divided by -2 is 4. So that's our answer for this one. The other one up here, there was no trick for simplifying that one.